Today, student of class 9th will perform an experiment of true solution, suspension solution and colloidal solution with the help of science lab apparatus. They will take 3 beaker full with water of 200 ml. In this experiment, they will take salt, lime, milk and laser light to perform each experiment. Now Pawan will perform an experiment of true solution.
I will perform a true solution with the help of water and salt. Then I will mix. Salt mixed in water. This is a homogeneous mixture. True solution is a homogeneous mixture of 2 or more substance. Now I will pass laser light beam in a true solution. Rays of light is visible. It means this solution is a true solution. Thank you.
Myself Kajal of class 9. Today I am performing suspension solution with the help of water of 200 milliliter and lime. First of all, we take 1 spoon of lime and mix it in water. When we take solution from the bottom, then they do not mix in the water. As you can see, that suspension solution is a heterogeneous solution and the lime do not mix in water and it is a heterogeneous mixture. So it is called suspension solution. Example of suspension solution is lime and water. Thank you.
My name is Dipanshi Saini. I will perform colloidal solution experiment with the help of beaker filled with water, 200 ml of water and milk and laser light. When I mix milk in water, it seems like a homogeneous mixture, but it is a heterogeneous mixture because its particle is very small. We cannot see with my naked eye. When I pass rays of laser light, it cannot pass through this solution as when we pass with true solution. It is passed it. That means it has particles which scatter rays of light. It means colloidal solution is a heterogeneous mixture. Example like this milk and water. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Sahil. I give conclusion of this whole experiment. So first experiment is true solution. So the salt, NaCl and H2O water. When the salt mix in water, the salt completely mixed. This is homogeneous solution and it is called true solution. And next will become lime powder and water. Lime powder, when we mix lime powder in water, the lime powder did not mix in water. It is heterogeneous and it is called suspension. And next experiment is of colloidal solution. When we mix milk in water, it seems like as homogeneous, but it is heterogeneous solution. This is called colloidal solution. I give example of true solution is salt and water. Example of suspension solution is lime powder and water, etc. Example of colloidal solution is milk in water. Thank you.